Hello everyone. Okay, so in this video we're looking at the area and perimeter of a sector. More importantly, we're going to be looking at the area and perimeter of a sector when we're given the angle of the sector in radians. So in your log tables, you will be given these formula. So we know from like Genius Search, if we want to calculate the arc length here, we use the circumference formula, 2 pi r, and then we find the fraction of it, and the fraction would be the angle it makes over 360. But with radians, all we have to do is length is equal to radians times the angle in radians. That's it. And the area will be equal to a half or squared theta. So when our angle is in radians, we use these formulas. So the arc AB subtends at an angle pi over 3 at the center 0 of a circle of radius 8 centimeters. Find the length of arc AB. So I want to find the length here. I know the length is equal to r theta because my degree is in radians. That's going to be 8 times pi over 3. So my length is equal to 8 pi over 3. Gorge. That's it. That's all we have to do. Then the last part here is telling me to ask me to find the sector. So I asked to find the sector here. And that is going to be area is equal to a half or squared theta. That's going to be a half times 8 squared times pi over 3. And that is going to be 32 pi over 3. Yep, 32 pi over 3. And that is the area of a sector. So very, very straightforward. Let's just look at an exam question here. So this is from 2020, paper 2, question 4. So it's a short question. The diagram shows OAB, a sector of a circle with radius 7 with a center 0. In the sector, angle BOA is 1.2 radians. The area of the shaded region is 21 centimeters squared. Find BC. Give your answer to 1 decimal place. So I want to find this. So I can't really find this. I don't have any reason to find the length from B to C. I know this is all 7, but I think I could find it using this. So I know this is the sector of a circle. So I know the entire sector of the circle here. Right? Actually, let me draw it again. The entire sector of the circle is equal to this little part here, that part, plus this triangle, A, C, B, O. That's 21. So this is 1.2, and then the radius of this is 7. So using this information here, I could find the area of this big sector here. So area equals a half or squared times degrees in radians. So 0.5 times 49 times 1.2. So the area of the big sector is 29.4. The area of this sector is 21. Therefore, the area of the triangle has to be 8.4. Now the area of the triangle is 8.4. I know this angle is 1.2. This is 7. CO. So let me just kind of draw this out somewhere else now. Let me just extend the page. Right. So I have the triangle ACO. That's 1.2, 8.4. Then the angle is equal to 8.4. This side is equal to 7. I want to find this side. I want to find side CO because that will help me find BC. Because if I just take that away from 7, it will give me BC. So I have my area and I have one side in the angle, but I don't have the other angle. So I can use my area formula, a half AB sine C, a half times 7 times x sine 1.2. So make sure you put your calculator in radians. That is going to be equal to 8.4. So divide both sides by a half 7 sine 1.2. We're going to get on the left hand side, so 8.4 divided by 0.5 times 7 times 1.2. So the left hand side is going to be 2.02 is equal to x. So 2.02 is equal to x. So this is equal to x. Therefore, this side should be x plus 2.202 is 7. So take that away from 7. And I get 4.98. 4.98 is the length from B to C. Right. I hope this video was some help. It was nice and quick. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.